Hey guys, it's me Lola and London, and today we're going to be making pizza. And first I'm going to show you the ingredients. The first ingredient we have is mini pizza crust. And then London, do you want to show them this? Yeah. And we have some pizza sauce. And we have some cheese for the pizza. That's on every single pizza. And we have some pepperonis. I hate them, but she likes them. So, let's get started. First, I'm going to make a pizza crust. First, I gotta get one out for me. Oh my god, it's like chaos. And that's fine. So first, we're going to put some pieces of sauce on it. Okay, so this is what the pizza sauce looks like. Put my spoon down. And now we're just gonna drop some pizza sauce on the pizza and then pizza crust, and we're gonna spread it. So, smells kind of good. Basically smells good. What do you mean? Basically, I just need a little more. Right there. All over that. That's nice. Okay. Are you done? Nope. Okay, I'm not ready. So now we're gonna use some cheese. Yes. I'm out a little bit more. Now I'm gonna spread it all around. That's what it's gonna look like. Gonna spread it out a little. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm gonna use some pepperonis. I'm just gonna put it all everywhere. So. When my mom is here, she might want some of these pepperonis.
I'll get it on cheese.
There we go. I'm just gonna eat them pepperoni. So now we're gonna put our pizzas in there for 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll see you.
A few moments later.
Pizza's done now, and we're going to test it, and we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. So Lola can try hers first. Okay, she's gonna try her cheese first, and then her pepperoni.
Three, two, one.
Cheese pizza. 10. I'm 10. She's a 10 out of 10. And I'm gonna try my pepperoni pizza after. A thousand. 1,000 out of 10. Out of 10. Bye guys. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications and give us a big thumbs